In a candid revelation shared with News24, Bev has offered new insights into what led to the collapse of a friendship with Nonko Williams, highlighting how unspoken expectations around money can quietly damage even the closest bonds. Bev revealed that Nonko had approached her for financial assistance, initially requesting a loan as high as 2 million rands, a figure Bev says she could not meet. Instead, she chose to offer a smaller amount, hoping to help without overextending herself. However, according to Bev, the situation became complicated when the money was not paid back, creating an uncomfortable dynamic that slowly pushed them apart. While no specific amounts were mentioned, Bev acknowledged that the unresolved loan shifted their relationship, turning what was once a genuine friendship into a strained connection. The disclosure has since ignited conversations online about financial boundaries, accountability, and how money, when left unresolved, can quietly end friendships without a dramatic confrontation.